new. Are you happy? Yes, I'm also happy. You are happy? I'm happy. So we are happy, isn't it? I hope you are doing all the work regularly at home. I got many answer sheets through Parent ID. Please clap your hands, those who got butterflies. Yes, very good. We studied numbers and number names and ordering numbers in the previous classes. Let's revise those topics firstly. Which number is this? Tell me which number is this? 1 10, 2 1s, 12. Please spell 12. Can you help me to write 12? T, yes, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Yes. 1 10, 5 ones, 1 10, 5 ones, 15. Help me to write 15. F, I, F, T, E, E, N. 15. 1 10, 9 ones, 19. 1 10, 9 ones, 19. What comes after 19? What comes after 19? What comes after 19? Yes, 20. 2 10, 0 ones, 20. Please spell 20. T W E N T Y. 20. Clear? T W E N T Y. 20. What comes after 19? 20. What comes before 19? Before 19? Yes, 18. Clear? One 10. 10. What comes after 10? After 10? After 10? Yes, 11. 1 10, 1 1, 11. E L E V E N. 11. What comes after 10? 11. What comes after 10? 11. Then what comes before 10? What comes before 10? Yes, 9. 9. Please spell 9. N I N E. Clear? 1 10, 3 ones, 13. 1 10, 5 ones, 15. Which number comes between 13 and 15? 13 and 15. Yes, 14. Please spell 15. F I F I F T E E N. 15. 14 comes between 13 and 15. Clear? Comparison of numbers. Our next topic is comparison of numbers. How many birthday hats are there? 1, 2, 3. How many kids are celebrating their birthday? 1, 2, 3, 4. Will everyone get a birthday hat? No. Why? There are only 3 birthday hats. So, 3 is smaller than 4. 3 is smaller than 4. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3. So, 4 is bigger than 3. 4 is bigger than 3. There are two boxes. What are these in the boxes? Stars. Count and say how many stars are there in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars in the first box. Then how many stars are there in the second box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which box contains more stars? First box. In the first box, there are 8 stars. In the second box, there are only 6 stars. So, 8 is bigger than 6. 8 is bigger than 6. Do you know what are these? Yes, chocobars. Do you like chocobars? Yes. Then count and say how many chocobars in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 chocobars in the first box. How many chocobars are there in the second box? Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which box contains more chocobars, first box or second box? Yes, second box. So, 7 is smaller than 8. I think you are right now. Take your notebook and pencil. Have you taken? Yes. Firstly, we have to note down the date. We have to write the date inside the margin. Today is 11. Today is 18. 6, 20. Underline. Now, we are going to write the heading. Our topic is comparison of numbers. Are you ready to write with me? Yes. You do one thing. You are not supposed to write anything inside the margin. So, we have to start from here. Ready? C O M P A R I S O N. Comparison. C O M P A R I S O N. Comparison. Then of. Off. Comparison of numbers. Are you ready to write numbers? Ready? N U M B E R S. Comparison of numbers. Have you written comparison of numbers? We have to write circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. Write down C I R C L E. Circle. C I R C L E. Circle. Then circle the smallest number. T H E. The. T H E. The. Circle the smallest number. S M A L L E S T. Circle the smallest number. N U M B E R. Number. Circle the smallest number. N U M B E R. Number. Again underline. Have you written the heading? Yes. Then we have to write question numbers. Where do we write question number? Inside the margin. Inside the margin. So it's our margin of question number 1. Question number 1. 6 9 put comma 6 comma 9 comma 7. 6 9 7. Among these numbers, which is the smallest number? 6 9 7. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 6. So we have to circle 6. We have to circle 6. Ready? Then we have to write 2 inside the margin. That is question number. Inside the margin we have to write question number 2. 2. 2. Write down. Have you written 2 inside the margin? Yes. Then in the first box you are supposed to write 13, comma 10, comma 15. 13, 10, 15. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? 13, 10, 15. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 10. What we do? We have to circle 10. We have to circle 10. Are you ready to circle 10? Yes. Very good. Then again inside the margin, question number 3. Inside the margin, question number 3. "20, put comma 16, 9. 20, 16, 9. Which is the smallest number? Tell me, which is the smallest number? Yes, 9. What we do? We have to circle 9. We have to circle 9. Clear? Where do we write question number? Yes, inside the margin. Where do we write the question number? Inside the margin. Yes, question number 4. Question number 4. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Which is the smallest number? 2, 4, 6. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 2. We have to circle 2. Yes. Next, question number 5. Inside the margin. Question number 5. 18, 16, 14. 18, 16, 14. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? Tell me. Yes, 14. So we have to circle 14. Clear? Have you written? Have you written? Yes. Then take next page. You need not to write the heading again. Okay. So third heading. Circle the biggest number. Circle the biggest number. Are you ready to write? Yes. Circle. C I R C L E. Circle. C I R C L E. Circle the. T H E. The. Circle the biggest number. B I G G E S T. Biggest. B I G G E S T. Biggest. Circle the biggest number. N U M B E R. Number. N U M B E R. Number. Circle the biggest number. Have you written the heading? Yes. Then we have to underline the heading. Underline. Yes. Then we have to write the question number inside the margin. We have to write the question number inside the margin. First question. Question number 1. Inside the margin. Question number 1. Then 3, put comma, 6, comma, 9. 3, 6, 9. Among this number, which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number? 3, 6, 9. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 9. 9 is the biggest number. So what we do? Yes, circle 9. Circle 9. Yes. Clear? Then question number 2. inside the margin. You supposed to write question number 2 inside the margin. Question number 2. Have you written question number? Yes. Then 16, put comma, 12, comma, 14. 16, 12, 14. Which is the biggest number? Tell me, which is the biggest number? Yes, 16. What we do? Yes, circle 16. Circle 16. Have you done? Have you done? Yes. Question number 3. Where do we write question number 3? Inside the margin. Question number 3. 8, 5, 3. 8, 5, 3. 8, 5, 3. Which is the biggest number? Tell me, which is the biggest number? Yes, 8. Have you written? Yes. Then question number 4 inside the margin. Question number 4. 13, comma, 18, comma, 10. 13, 18, 10. Which is the biggest number? Huh? Yes, 18. Circle 18. Question number 5. Comma 10, comma 8, comma 9. 10, 8, 9. Tell me which number we have to circle. Yes? Yes, 10. Clear? I hope you understood to identify the biggest and smallest number. Actually, I have given notes in the class, but I will upload the same notes in the parent guide too. Okay.
Let's revise. Identify the biggest and smallest number. Circle the biggest number. Circle the biggest number. First one, 7, 3, 1. Tell me which is the biggest number. Tell me 7, 3, 1. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 7. Then next, 13, 19, 15. 13, 19, 15. Which is the biggest number in this set? Tell me. Yes, 19. So what we do? We have to circle 19. We have to circle 19. Clear? Then circle the smallest number. First one, 9, 4, 6. Here 4 is the smallest number. 4 is the smallest number. Here 16, 20, 11. Which is the smallest number? 16, 20, 11. Which is the smallest number? Tell me. Yes, 11. What we do? We have to circle. We have to circle 11. We have to circle 11. play, learn, and grow together. Thank you.